In this video, I'll teach you how you can use the AI Background Generator in Canva for changing the background of your images. Hi, I am Everlin, a Canva creator and a Canvassator. To start, just open your Canva account and choose a new project. I'm going to set this as a presentation just to make it easier for you to see, but you can do it with any kind of Canva formats. From here, you can upload an image that you want to use to change its background. I'm going to choose two images for you to see which works best. To start, let's work with this one here. I'm going to set the image as a background, and I'm going to just making more space for the background because of the image that I have. So this is already fine. What I'm going to change here, I want this cloud to disappear. I want a different scenario for that background, okay? In order to do that, you just click on the image, go to Edit, and here you will see Background Generator. This is a pro feature in Canva. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can click on the link in my bio. I'll try to put the link here somewhere as well, and you can try to test it for 30 days for free. Click on Background Generator, and here you have to describe what you want as a background. You can also ask Canva to inspire you. I like this one. Let's try to see what Canva does for you when you try one suggestion from Canva and click on Generate, okay? In that moment, Canva is going to give you some different suggestions of backgrounds for you to choose from. You can test and see which one you like the most. I kind of think this one is cute. If you click on this sun symbol, you can balance a relight, which in my opinion works well because this is too bright now for the background. And I think this is ideal actually. If you like, just click on done. If you don't like it, you can generate it again and again until you find something that fits you the most. You don't need to take this here, what Canva suggested. You can write a background that you want in your own words. Let's do it with different image and you will see also the different possibilities and how they look. And now with a different image, let me just set it as a background. You will see you just have to again select the image, go to Edit and Background Generator. And here I'm going to describe now what I want to be changed. A minimalist gray living room. And click on Generate. Let's see what Canva is going to generate for us. I like it already. And you see, actually, yeah, this one I like the most. So when you're done, just click on done. Let me see if the lightening changes here. Balance relighting, yes. Okay, so, okay, I like this. This is a new feature Canva added recently. Oh, and this one looks even nicer with the lightening that they added to the background, to the new background. I hope this was helpful for you. There is also a trick. By using this feature, you can change the background of your videos, integrating this feature of Canva and downloading it to CapCut. If you want to know how to do that, just leave in the comments here below and I will record a new video teaching you how you can do that. See you in the next video.